Alam nyo, kaninang umaga, 23 degrees yung ating temperature, Imagine, Now it's 24. Imagine how wonderful the weather is. And many, many blessings the good Lord has given us. As we again thank God for the end of this month of February. Salamat sa Diyos. Many, many blessings which we take for granted. This good weather, this month, and the many, many blessings. So what a gift, as we honor the heart of Jesus and His love for us, itong Friday na to, like most Fridays, as we honor the Sacred Heart of Jesus, His love for us. Sana wag natin makakalimutan. At yung unang ebanghelyo, the first reading rather, speaks to us about, again, friends. How important, how blessed each and everyone is for our good friends na dumaan na sa maraming pagsusubok at dumaan na sa mahabang panahon at talagang tunay na kaibigan. We thank God for these friends who the good Lord has given us. It is a treasure. Alagaan natin ito at we nourish, diligan, alagaan sapagkat tunay na mahalaga ang mga best friend natin. And we thank God for this. And also remember, like all relationships, communication is very important. And the communication we have with our friends, the communication we have with God also, who is our true best friend, Jesus Christ. Yan ang tunay na kaibigan natin. Ang kagandahan sa kaibigan, patas, hindi superior, hindi inferior. Kasi friends, di ba? Sabi ni Jesus, I no longer call you friends because I have made known to you everything. Jesus is offering friendship to us. How can that be? Diyos ka ganyan, Sabi niya, hindi, ganito, para pantay. Para I will love you, I will honor you, not because of fear, kasi boss kita Not because you are inferior, but because you are a friend. Pantay-pantay. At iba yung pagmamahal ng pareho It is very mutual. It is easier to relate kasi kapantay. The same way as the beautiful gospel about married couples, about marriage, how divorce, how important it is to again thank God for the relationship of husband and wife, how important this is, how the two shall become one, and what God has put together, let no man must separate. The reminder of the sacrament of marriage, how beautiful it is. Muli, napakahalaga ng paalala sa atin ng partnership na nangyayari sa mag-asawa. At ito nga ang napakahalaga. Katulad ng unang pagbasa, again, husbands and wives, couples, should really not lose the friendship. Kasi parang hindi na kaibigan, Parang friendship is not a title, Parang a friendship is not a task, mabigat. Maganda ang kaibigan, hindi mabigat. Kaminsan pagka-asawa, asawa. Parang it is a chore, it is a heavy responsibility ang pagiging asawa. Ang bigat-bigat ng tungkulin, Because perhaps the friendship between husband and wife has been lost. Parang nawawala, Kasi puros responsibilidad na lang ang nakikita natin. But let us remain friends, equal to one another. That beautiful word of equal, mutual, is a beautiful reminder. So we thank God for the friendship God offers us, unimaginable friendship He offers us, and the friendship between husband and wives, and the gift of true friends. Salamat sa Diyos.